Alright, welcome back gang. Today we've got the ALDI Fire Pit that we're going to do an unboxing and have a look at and test out. This only cost $29, so just under 30, so it's pretty much $30 on the dot. Looks pretty solid, looks pretty good. We'll give it a go and test it out. So we'll just unbox it now. Got like a cylindrical top for it. Got the base. Got the instructions, which we'll put up on film. Also has a warranty for 1 year. And the warranty certificate there. Let's have a look. So I've got an inner part, the outer, there's foldable legs there, that are rubberized, so that's good. This just comes out. Has a little cover for, it's good. I've got the internal part here. Guessing where I can put a little separator for ash. Yeah, so it aerates the fire. And then goes on top. Pretty solid build, looks pretty sturdy. Guess we'll see. And now that we've done the unboxing, there's only one thing to do. Test it. Alright gang, welcome back. Yeah, we've got a little setup here. We're going to test it outside today. We've got our little deck chairs there. One of the big things we were worried about was, well, the heat transfer to the floor and smoke underneath the veranda. So we decided to go open air and test it out. So as you can see, we've just taken it out of the box. Did recommend some wood pellets. Also, you could use charcoal. I think the charcoal would give out a lot more heat. You had to be quite close to get the heat benefit from the wood pellets. A little fire starter in there just to get things going at the start. That's pretty much it. I was actually very surprised at how easily it just started. Pretty much one click and we were off and running. As you can see there. The flame did take off and got quite big, you'll see a bit later, but it didn't smoke as much as I thought it would, which was really good and abated one of my worries straight off the bat. One way I can justify buying all these things and testing them out is making them a little date night, and it keeps the missus happy, and it also allows me to buy fun things. So we just did some s'mores and some cheese. We were able to cook them quite easily on it, and it was quite good. This could easily be used just on a normal dining setting tabletop. Outside, preferably, there was a little bit of smoke, but probably not enough that would do any sort of real harm or anything inside. You see the flame getting quite big there. Those channels and vents inside kept it quite channelized and nice and central for the flame. I was quite impressed, actually. It did get quite large, and then it did also burn off a bit, so it has its moments. As you can see there, it did start to die down a bit. For science, I put my hand underneath to check how much heat transfer there was, and it was actually only just warm to the touch underneath. I was very surprised. Probably not the greatest scientific method to use. Anyway, so you can see there, it's starting to die down a bit. Highly recommend the $30 Fire Pit. Well worth it from Aldi. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.